In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Nintendo Online. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Switch, and then you want to go to the bottom menu and select on the Nintendo eShop just like so. Then go ahead and select on the account where you want to cancel your Nintendo Switch Online subscription on. Once you're done with that, it is then going to bring you to the eShop just like so, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the top right and select on your profile picture. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly, and there you go. Then you want to go ahead and select on it. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and then in the left side you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Nintendo Switch Online right over here, and then from there you will now get the option to go ahead and actually cancel your renewal, and that will basically stop you from having Nintendo Switch Online again, and that will basically cancel the subscription. So by the way, make sure to turn off automatic renewal at least 48 hours before your membership is set to expire to avoid being charged for the next period. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.